Happy 2026. Welcome to Las Vegas. It's great to be here again at CES, together with our partner ST Micro, in which we develop products for power electronics in vehicles. So happy to have you here. Want to show you what we developed in the lab in the last few years and bring here now to life and show to our customers. Come on in and I'll show you more about the technology. Okay, let me introduce you to the Flex Smart Power X product. This is about how we can improve overall power electronics in vehicles, in plug-in hybrids and in battery vehicles. What we do here is actually we leverage the high voltage battery, which is anyhow in a car, and with a system configuration of DC-DC converters we have, optimize the system so that we can eliminate the physical low voltage battery in the car. With this, we would save space, package room, weight, and a lot of cost. And that's what we demonstrate here. And it has made now progress from the labs to the concept phase, which we work with the OEMs. So let me show this to you. The Flex Smart Power X concept is the first to market DC-DC converters which could replace the physical battery. Our design allows, the dual active bridge allows for ultra-fast bidirectional power conversion, and it saves, as I mentioned, significant cost and weight in the vehicle. So in a normal setup, you have the high voltage battery, you have the powertrain, main DC-DC, which is a product we developed since more than 15 years. For example, here, zonal controllers, infotainment products, and a highly automated driving redundant DC-DC converters. And this thing here illustrates a physical low voltage battery. That's the system how you will find it in many, many vehicles on the road in these days with zonal controllers. We have use cases prepared, actually safety critical use cases, in which we think we have the concept now to replace the physical battery, even with all the different voltages and dynamics in a power board net. So with this product, you can see the high voltage battery is feeding through the DC-DC converter all the equivalent ECUs in the vehicle. So when we replace the battery, we do this in this demo like this. We will use the benefit of the Flex technology in DC-DC converters powered by ST Stellar components and SiC components, and drive the system through the main DC-DC and power all the relevant systems, for example, in steering, and there the bidirectional element comes to play. We have another use case, very important, is safety. The system is designed in a way that the backup DC-DC kicks in, including with a super cap, and powers the critical functions so that a safe pullover is possible on the right side. And with this, we are covering the 8 ASIL-D requirements in such use cases. And we have done real tests in our lab, and this is real measurements already out of the lab, and now we are ready to integrate this into vehicles. Another very relevant use case is how we start up the system. When we initialize the system, our DC-DC technology can power up the system very, very quick, even without the battery, the physical battery. So we think there's a competitive advantage as well, and you can see again the diagrams in which we have real-time and real measurements behind. And another very interesting use case, it's one of my favorites, is the OTA use case. So in a modern SDV world, you will have OTA use cases all over the place. And with this system, we leverage the higher capacity of the high voltage battery, leveraging the DC-DC conversion, and enable a longer time for bigger data downloads on OTA campaigns, and to make sure that the car is able to do the full download of new software into the vehicle. So that's the real power of SDV comes to life. What we have here is we replace the physical battery, leveraging the high voltage battery system. With this, we save cost, package space, maintenance efforts, and overall, the system complexity is reduced. And now this is coming to the market as the first time we did this together with ST Micro. Now it is ready from the lab to integrate into new product developments. Thank you for that. Looking forward, and if you have any interest or any questions, don't hesitate to reach on the website at st or flex.com. Thank you very much.